Number 1. 1976 BMW R75/6, $3,500, Rowlett, Texas. The 1976 BMW R75/6 is a classic example of BMW's durable and well-engineered boxer twin platform, known for its smooth power delivery and long-distance capability. This bike shows 47,421 miles and has received extensive recent maintenance, including new upper gaskets, carburetor components, fuel system updates, and a sealed gas tank. It starts, runs, and stops well, with all lights and switches functioning as intended, making it a solid and usable vintage machine. While the carburetors may benefit from fine-tuning and synchronization, and the valves will eventually need adjustment again, the overall condition reflects a well-maintained rider. Additional features like factory-adjustable shocks, a rear luggage rack, new brake pads, and even the original air pump under the seat add to its authenticity and practicality. For those seeking a classic BMW with strong fundamentals and touring capability, this R75/6 offers a well-rounded package.
Number 2. 1987 Harley-Davidson FXSTC Softail Custom, $5,500, Raleigh-Durham, North Carolina. This 1987 Harley-Davidson FXSTC Softail Custom captures the essence of the Evolution-era Harley, powered by the proven 1340cc V-twin engine. With just 16,661 original miles, it presents as a well-kept example that has been tastefully updated with a Fat Boy-style setup, including solid disc wheels that give it a bold and aggressive stance. Its overall look and sound evoke the iconic style many riders associate with classic Harley cruisers. Described as a properly maintained and non-project bike, it runs and rides exactly as expected from a well-sorted Harley-Davidson. This is not a machine that has been neglected or pieced together, but rather one that has been cared for and preserved. For buyers seeking a dependable and visually striking softail from a desirable era, this FXSTC offers both presence and performance in a classic American package.
Number 3. 1970 Triumph Daytona 500, $5,500, York, Pennsylvania. The 1970 Triumph Daytona 500 is a lightweight and spirited British twin powered by a 500cc engine with dual carburetors and a manual transmission. This example, finished in a bold purple and yellow color scheme, stands out visually while representing the performance-oriented side of Triumph's lineup during that era. With just 8,155 miles, it carries the appeal of a relatively low-mileage vintage machine. The bike is described as running, which adds to its usability and appeal for riders who want more than a display piece. The Daytona models are known for their nimble handling and engaging riding experience, making them a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate classic British engineering. This example offers a blend of unique styling and vintage performance in a compact and enjoyable package.
Number 4. 1978 Yamaha XS 650, $3,900, Martinsburg, West Virginia. This 1978 Yamaha XS 650 is one of the most respected parallel twin motorcycles to come out of Japan, known for its reliability and strong aftermarket support. Showing just 8,775 original miles, this example is described as ready to ride and needing nothing, making it an especially attractive option for buyers seeking a turnkey vintage motorcycle. Its clean presentation reflects its origin from a private collection. Recent work includes a new battery, rebuilt carburetors, and a full service, ensuring the bike performs as expected on the road. With a clean Maryland title and no immediate needs, it offers a hassle-free ownership experience. Whether kept stock or lightly customized, the XS 650 remains a favorite platform, and this example delivers both authenticity and everyday usability. Number 5. 1970 Norton Commando Roadster,
$3,000, Southington, Connecticut. The 1970 Norton Commando Roadster is one of the most iconic British motorcycles of its time, celebrated for its performance and distinctive styling. This example shows 10,500 miles and is described as 99.9% complete, offering a strong foundation for a restoration or revival project. Known for its innovative isolastic frame system, the Commando delivers a smoother ride compared to many of its contemporaries. Although it is not currently running, it was reportedly operational before being parked and is close to being brought back to life. The ignition system is in the process of being reverted to original points, and aside from minor remaining items, it appears largely complete. Included extras such as exhaust components, cables, manuals, and specialty tools add significant value. For enthusiasts looking for a classic Norton project with strong potential, this Roadster presents an appealing opportunity.
Number 6. 1978 Kawasaki KZ750, $1,395, York, Pennsylvania. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ750 is a solid example of late 1970s Japanese engineering, offering dependable performance from its 750cc engine and straightforward design. This bike shows 2,729 miles since its rebuild, suggesting that key components have been refreshed, making it an appealing option for riders seeking an affordable classic with renewed mechanical life. Its clean title adds to the ease of ownership and registration. While the exact total mileage is not reflected on the title, the bike's rebuilt status and complete setup make it a strong value at this price point. Known for its durability and smooth power delivery, the KZ750 remains a practical vintage motorcycle that can still be enjoyed on modern roads. For buyers looking for a budget-friendly entry into classic Japanese bikes, this example offers both usability and potential. Number 7. 1964 Triumph Tiger T100, $3,900, Cheyenne, Wyoming. The 1964 Triumph Tiger T100 is a classic British twin that captures the lightweight and responsive nature of mid-1960s motorcycles. This example is described as complete, with no rust, clean chrome, and a solid fuel tank, all of which are strong indicators of careful long-term preservation. It has been in storage for around 20 years, giving it the character of a true barn find style machine. Although it starts, it does not continue running, meaning it will require a proper tune-up and some mechanical attention, including throttle work due to the current ape hanger setup. The inclusion of original handlebars, Whitworth tools, manuals, and additional parts adds value for restoration. With a clean Wyoming title and known ownership history, this Tiger T100 presents a rewarding opportunity for enthusiasts looking to revive a classic British motorcycle. Number 8. 1974 Honda CB200, $2,800, Newbury Park, California. This 1974 Honda CB200 is a beautifully preserved survivor that stands out for its condition and thoughtful upgrades. With 19,000 miles, it has been well cared for and regularly maintained, featuring a new battery, updated upholstery, and Pirelli Scorpion tires. The bike also benefits from a front disc brake upgrade and refreshed components such as cables and a master cylinder, enhancing both safety and rideability. Everything on the bike is reported to be in working order, including the starter, turn signals, and horn, along with a modern LED headlight for improved visibility. The fuel tank is clean inside, and the bike has been consistently polished and maintained. As a turnkey, ready-to-ride classic that even includes a new vintage-style helmet and extra parts, this CB200 offers exceptional value for riders seeking a lightweight and reliable vintage Honda. Number 9. 1976 BMW R90/6, $3,700, York, Pennsylvania. The 1976 BMW R90/6 is a step up in performance from its smaller siblings, featuring a 900cc boxer twin engine known for its smooth and confident power delivery. This example shows 8,104 miles since rebuild,
indicating that it has undergone significant mechanical refreshment. Finished in black and backed by a clean title, it presents as a strong candidate for riders who appreciate both performance and classic BMW engineering. The R90/6 is widely regarded as a capable all-around motorcycle, suitable for both relaxed cruising and longer-distance riding. Its simple, durable design makes it easier to maintain compared to more complex modern machines. For buyers seeking a well-balanced vintage motorcycle with proven reliability and touring capability, this BMW offers a compelling combination of value and usability.
Number 10. 1976 Vespa Rally 200, $5,000, Portland, Oregon. The 1976 Vespa Rally 200 is one of the most iconic vintage scooters ever produced, known for its classic Italian styling and dependable two-stroke performance. This example retains its original paint and overall character, making it especially appealing to collectors who value authenticity. With 13,318 miles and a rebuilt engine by Slabtown Cycles, it offers both originality and improved mechanical reliability. Additional updates include a new seat, ignition components, and some refreshed electrical parts, helping maintain its usability. While it hasn't been started in over a year, it comes with a range of extra parts, including engine components and trim pieces, adding to its long-term value. For enthusiasts looking for a stylish and collectible vintage scooter, this Vespa Rally 200 presents a unique and well-rounded package. Number 11. 1975 Honda CB550 K4, $5,000, Tucson, Arizona. The 1975 Honda CB550 K4 is a standout from Honda's golden era of inline-four motorcycles, offering smooth performance and timeless styling. This example shows 23,600 miles and is described as a very clean, all-stock survivor that has been consistently garage-kept. Its originality is a major highlight, especially as fewer examples remain in this condition today, making it increasingly desirable among collectors. The bike runs great and comes with the original Honda toolkit, adding to its authenticity and appeal. Aside from a single small ding on the tank, it presents exceptionally well for its age. For buyers seeking a classic Japanese motorcycle that balances collectability with usability, this CB550K offers a rare opportunity to own a well-preserved piece of Honda history. Number 12. 1989 Harley-Davidson Custom Softail, $4,800, San Bruno, California. This 1989 Harley-Davidson Custom Softail is powered by the well-regarded Evolution engine, known for its improved reliability, smoother operation, and cooler running compared to earlier Harley power plants. With 32,441 miles and a clean title, this bike represents a solid example of a late 1980s Harley that blends classic styling with dependable performance. Equipped with performance-oriented upgrades such as an S&S kit and a Thunderheader exhaust, it offers a more aggressive riding experience while maintaining its vintage character. The Evolution engine's design also makes maintenance more straightforward for long-term ownership. For riders looking for an affordable custom Harley with proven engineering and added performance, this Softail delivers both value and personality. Number 13. 1966 BSA Lightning, $6,900, York, Pennsylvania. The 1966 BSA Lightning is a classic British twin that helped define performance motorcycling in its era, featuring a 650cc engine with dual carburetors. This example shows just 3,997 miles since its rebuild, suggesting it has been refreshed and maintained to remain roadworthy. Its clean title and running condition make it an appealing option for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage British engineering. Known for its strong performance and classic styling, the Lightning remains a sought-after model among collectors. This bike offers the opportunity to own a historically significant motorcycle that can still be ridden and enjoyed. For buyers seeking a balance between restoration quality and usability, this BSA presents a compelling and well-rounded package. Number 14. 1969 BMW R69 US, $17,250, Fallbrook, California. The 1969 BMW R69 US is one of the most iconic and refined motorcycles of its era, representing the pinnacle of BMW's pre/5 Series engineering. This example has been beautifully restored and is described as running great, with 59,000 miles and careful ownership since its restoration. Its timeless design and smooth boxer twin engine make it a standout among late 1960s motorcycles. This bike comes well equipped with leather cases, a passenger seat, manuals, including a Barrington guide, a toolkit, and additional parts, enhancing both its practicality and collector value. Updates such as new Heidenau tires and LED lighting improve its usability while maintaining its classic character. For serious collectors or enthusiasts, this R69 US offers a premium vintage BMW experience with both authenticity and refinement. Number 15. 1964 Honda 90, $800, Madera, California. The 1964 Honda 90, also known as the C200 or CA200, is a small displacement classic that reflects Honda's early commitment to reliable and accessible motorcycling. Showing 10,435 miles, this bike was previously ridden around private property before being placed into storage. Its compact design and simple engineering make it a charming example of early Honda craftsmanship. Currently, the bike is not producing spark and will require some troubleshooting to return to running condition. It also comes with a bill of sale and no title, along with back fees if registered in California, which may influence how it is used or transferred. Despite this, it remains an appealing find for collectors or hobbyists looking for a lightweight vintage project with nostalgic value. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. If you enjoy hidden finds like these, don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic motorcycle deals, updated daily.